In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add an announcement bar, which is this bar above the navigation of your website that you can use to promote things on your website, and you can change that promotion really easily. To find the announcement bar settings, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of where your pages are, come to website tools, announcement bar, and then you'll find that it's probably disabled and looks like this, so you can't see anything above it. You want to enable, and then you can just type in the box here what your promotion is, what you're announcing. You can make that text bolded. You have a few other options, underlined, italicized, that kind of thing. I'm just going to leave it off. And then you want to link that announcement bar to a specific page. So come to the settings cog, you can just type in the page that you're looking for. I've got TBM jerseys here. You can decide whether you want to open it in a new window. We prefer not to, just so that you can tab back and someone stays on your website rather than opening a brand new tab. Save. Then I'm going to test this. Now, a couple of years ago, we had a TBM basketball team, and this was the page where you could buy jerseys. So I've just used that as our announcement. And then I can click on here and someone could purchase a jersey if they wanted to. Once your announcement's done, if you want it to disappear, just disable it again and make sure you hit save.